Marmosets, also known as Callitrichidae, are small New World monkeys that captivate both scientists and animal enthusiasts with their unique behaviors, distinctive physical characteristics, and intriguing social structures. These primates are native to the tropical rainforests of South America, predominantly found in countries like Brazil, Peru, and Bolivia. Marmosets are among the smallest primates, with the pygmy marmoset being the tiniest, measuring just about 12 to 15 centimeters in body length, excluding the tail. The tail itself can be as long as the body, or even longer, often reaching lengths of 17 to 23 centimeters. They typically weigh between 100 to 140 grams, although the pygmy marmoset is significantly lighter, averaging around 85 grams. These primates have soft, silky fur that varies in color depending on the species. Common marmosets, for example, have gray fur with white ear tufts, while the Geoffroy's marmoset sports a white face with a black crown. Marmosets have claw-like nails, known as tegulae, on all their digits except the big toe, which aids in their arboreal lifestyle by providing a better grip on tree bark. Marmosets are highly social animals, living in groups that typically range from 3 to 15 individuals. These groups are usually composed of a dominant breeding pair and their offspring, although some groups may include additional adult relatives. Social hierarchies are established within these groups, with the dominant female often exerting control over reproduction through hormonal suppression of subordinate females. Communication among marmosets is multifaceted, involving vocalizations, visual signals, and scent marking. They produce a variety of calls, including alarm calls, contact calls, and mating calls, each serving different purposes. Scent marking is crucial for establishing territory and conveying reproductive status, with both males and females using specialized glands to leave scent marks on branches and other surfaces. Reproduction in marmosets is characterized by high fertility rates, with females capable of giving birth to twins twice a year, although single births and triplets also occur. The gestation period is approximately 140 to 150 days. Interestingly, marmosets exhibit cooperative breeding behavior, where not only the mother but also other group members, including the father and siblings, participate in the care of the infants. This communal care enhances the survival rates of the offspring. Parental investment is significant, with fathers often taking an active role in carrying and grooming the infants. This cooperative care system allows the mother to recover quickly and prepare for subsequent pregnancies, thus increasing reproductive output. Marmosets inhabit the dense, tropical rainforests of South America, primarily in Brazil. They are arboreal, spending most of their lives in the canopy layer of the forest. Their distribution varies by species, with some adapted to specific regions or forest types. For instance, the common marmoset is primarily found in the Atlantic coastal forests, while the pygmy marmoset prefers the flooded forests and river margins of the Amazon basin. The arboreal lifestyle of marmosets is supported by their physical adaptations, such as strong limbs, claw-like nails, and a keen sense of balance. They move through the trees with agility, using their long tails for balance and support. Marmosets are omnivores with a diet that includes fruit, insects, small vertebrates, and tree sap or gum. Their feeding habits are highly adaptable, allowing them to exploit various food sources depending on availability. Tree gum is particularly important in their diet, providing a reliable source of carbohydrates and water. Marmosets have specialized lower incisors that enable them to gouge holes in tree bark to access the sap. In addition to tree gum, marmosets consume a variety of fruits, flowers, nectar, and small animals such as insects, spiders, and small lizards. Their diet varies seasonally, with a preference for high-energy foods during the breeding season, to support the increased nutritional demands of reproduction and infant care. The conservation status of marmosets varies by species, with some classified as least concern, and others facing significant threats. Habitat destruction due to deforestation and human encroachment is the primary threat to marmoset populations. The expansion of agriculture, logging, and urban development has led to substantial loss of their natural habitat, particularly in the Atlantic forest region of Brazil. Additionally, the illegal pet trade poses a threat to certain marmoset species. Despite legal protections in many countries, marmosets are often captured and sold as exotic pets, leading to population declines in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect marmoset habitats and address the illegal pet trade. These efforts include the establishment of protected areas, reforestation projects, and public awareness campaigns. Researchers and conservationists are also working to understand the ecological needs of marmosets better and develop strategies to ensure their long-term survival. Marmosets play a crucial role in their ecosystems, contributing to seed dispersal and pest control. As they forage for fruit, they aid in the dispersal of seeds, promoting forest regeneration and biodiversity. Their diet of insects and small animals helps regulate pest populations, maintaining ecological balance. In addition to their ecological roles, marmosets are valuable subjects for scientific research. Their relatively small size, ease of care in captivity, and social behavior make them ideal for studies on primate biology, behavior, and social dynamics. Research on marmosets has provided insights into topics such as cooperative breeding, communication, and cognitive abilities.